Everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. Now, if this is your first time visiting with us on today, thank you so much for choosing to stop by. If you are returning, thank you for coming back. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed to the Seasoned Beauties community, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be happy to have you, and there's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, before we go any further, I do want to say it has been brought to my attention that there are quite a few who watch Seasoned Beauties videos from their cell phone. And you have been having challenges each and every time I say, go ahead and leave a comment. Let us know how you really feel. However, if you are watching from your cell phone or from your tablet, in order to make a comment, you have to scroll down past the next videos that you could watch to leave your comment below. So I just want to make that clear. My apologies for not making it clear before. Okay, station break is over. Let's go back and continue. Now, while you're in that general vicinity, go ahead and hit the bell button. Why? So that you'll be notified each and every time a new video is uploaded. Now, even if you have rung that bell previously, go back and check. Quite a few have said they are not receiving any updates. Well, trust me, I need for you to know when something new is popping up so you can check it out. So by all means, do that as well. Now, today's video, we're going to talk about what is in the April BoxyCharm. Yes, I'm going to give you 4 different box variations. Okay? Yes, your girl is helping you out. I want to make sure you are ready. Now, you will still be surprised because you don't know which box you're getting unless it is the FOMO box. Now, what is the FOMO box? The FOMO box is actually fear of missing out. And that is for anyone who is a new subscriber to the BoxyCharm service. Okay? Now, for those of you who are not familiar with BoxyCharm at all and just decided to check it out, see what's going on, BoxyCharm is $21 a month plus taxes depending on the state that you are in. And with that, you get 4 to 5 full-size products every month. Every quarter, we do have a Boxy Luxe, which gives you an abundance of amazing products each and every time. And that particular box is an additional $28.99. Okay, now let's jump right in. Now, the April boxes, every charmer will receive the Pure Festival palette. This palette has everything from mattes to shimmers, even pressed glitters. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And the manufacturer suggested retail price for that one is $36. Now, we've already bypassed the $21 that it paid for the box. Nonetheless, moving right along, the second product that each charmer will be receiving is the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. Manufacturer suggested retail price on that one is $27. And there have been 2 brand new shades that have been designed for such a time as this. Okay, now the other item is the Luxy Beauty Summer Days Brush Trio set. This brush trio is gorgeous. It's not at all like our Luxy brushes that we are, so familiar with and yet we love. These are quite colorful and they are gorgeous. The first box variation has the Starlooks Cosmetic Eyeliner in it. Now, according to the graphic, it seems like it could be one of several colors. Trust me, I'm okay with that. And so the manufacturer suggested retail price on that one is $19. Then in this particular variation is the Appeal Cosmetics holographic lip gloss. Nothing else to be said on that. Manufacturer suggested retail price $21. Check out that box total below. Now that is for variation number 1. Variation number 2, same 3 products every charmer will be receiving. And then receiving the Steve Laurent Beauty lip gloss. Now that one is a variation item inside because we're not sure of which color you will be receiving there. Then there is a Beauty for Real Finish Line 24/7 waterproof liquid eyeliner. That right there is pretty fly as well. So the next one will have the Butter London Power Up All Day Wear Mascara. That one, I wouldn't be disappointed if I received that one either. And that one will also have the Starlooks Cosmetic Eyeliner in it. So those are the different, I do believe I gave you 5 items for each of the boxes. If I didn't, when I'm doing my editing, I will fix it. Okay, now, if you are new to BoxyCharm, you will be receiving the FOMO box, that fear of missing out box we were talking about. And in that one, you will have a couple of items that everyone, of course, will get. One of which is the Tatcha Dewy Skin Mask, the Luxie 4-piece brush set, and a Tarte Cosmetic lip gloss. Now, there is a palette variation. Now, the palette variation will be, it can be one of the following palettes. The Ace Beauty palette, which is fantastic. The Protégé palette. The other one would be the Nightingale palette or the Suva Beauty palette. Okay, so you will have these items in the FOMO box as well as an Elle fragrance. Okay, just so you know, those are the items that you could possibly receive in your upcoming April BoxyCharm. I do want to say to you, I do hope that you have enjoyed this video. I have given you enough information. If I have not and you have a question, by all means, go ahead and list your question below. Remember, if you're watching from your mobile device, scroll down and let me know. And then that way I will do my best to get an answer back to you immediately. And by immediately, I mean within 12 hours of you posting it. Okay, so remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.